In this video, we will show you how to add an add-on domain in Bluehost. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So, let's begin. So, the first thing we need to do is point out your domain name server to a Bluehost name server. So the process will be the same for any domain registered. Say, for example, you have purchased the domain from Namecheap or GoDaddy or any domain register. You just simply log into your domain control panel and look out for the name server field right here. Okay. Now, if you are not so technical, you can ask your domain support team to change your name servers to Bluehost name server, right? So here are some examples. Of course, you can change the existing domain name server DNS information below, right? Okay, so the next step is here, go to your Bluehost account, all right? And of course, you need to go to the domains at the top and click on assign right here. After doing so, of course, simply type the domain name which you are planning to add as an add-on domain to your Bluehost account, all right? So you can an add-on domain or park domain. So you will be adding that and whatever is suggested when you're planning to start a new website on your new domain. If you want your new domain to point the primary website of your Bluehost account, you will be using the park domain feature, right? But for the meantime, we're going to use the add-on domain. That's for our video. Next step is simply, right, assign domain. And as you can see here, this utility will help you assign a domain to your whatever website that is, the panel account. All right. Now, the Bluehost domain manager will automatically use your domain name to give a directory to the domain name. Typical structure would be something like public underscore HTML would be happen here, right? With the new domain name. This makes it easier for webmasters to manage your different domain files, right? And once you are finished, all you're gonna do is assign this domain, right? And once again, if you have watched our previous videos regarding about Bluehost, if you have any concerns or questions, all you're gonna do is simply click the chat button below, and the Bluehost chat support team will be more than glad to assist you with any of your concerns. For example, you wanted to add a domain here. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.